In this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert image to text in Word document. So let's get started. Microsoft Word cannot extract text from image directly. Instead, we can use workaround to copy and export text from images. First, we will convert image into PDF and then convert that PDF into Word document to extract text from the picture. First, open new Word document. Now click on Insert, then click Pictures and then this device. Just select the picture that you want to convert to text. Now click on File at the top, click Save As. Now select the storage location for the PDF. Now make sure to choose Save As type as PDF. Click on Save button to convert the image into PDF. Now we will convert this PDF to Word document. Now go to the folder on the computer where you saved this PDF file. Now right click on the PDF file and click Open with. Here we will select Word app to open this PDF file. Click on Just Once. A pop-up window will show up confirming that the PDF will be converted into the editable Word document. Click on OK. And as you can see, your image has been converted successfully into text form. Now you can easily copy-paste the editable text from the image. So that is how you can convert image to text in Word document. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.